Looking for a vacuum that keeps up with everyday messes without the heavy lifting? The Cordless Stick Rechargeable vacuum cleaner is built for convenience and comfort. Weighing 30% less than traditional models, it glides effortlessly across rooms. Whether you're tackling crumbs in the kitchen or dust in the hallway, this lightweight design makes cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. Its cordless feature means no more unplugging or dragging wires. Just grab it and go. With an impressive 55-minute runtime, this vacuum goes the distance. It provides consistent power to clean the whole home on a single charge. That's more cleaning, less waiting. Its powerful suction dives deep into carpets, lifts pet hair, and clears hard floors without needing multiple passes. When you need to take a break, the self-standing design means it stays upright. No leaning against the wall or laying it down. Cleaning in dark corners or under couches? No problem. The anti-tangle V-shaped brush keeps hair from wrapping around the roller. Bright LED headlights light up dirt you didn't even know was there. It's designed to glide smoothly and reach tricky spots, making every sweep more effective. From pet fur to fine dust, this vacuum covers it all with precision. Maintenance is simple too. A washable HEPA filter lasts up to 180 days, saving you time and money. The 1-liter dust cup means fewer stops to empty it. And with its wall-mounted storage, everything stays neat and ready for next time. For anyone wanting power, flexibility, and ease, this vacuum is a smart pick.